Hi, lovely people. How is your day? Leave down in the comments how your day is going. Do you have any plans this weekend? Let me know. All the tea. You guys know I'm very nosy and I just want to know what you guys are up to. So, if you read from my title, I am going to be unboxing the Mariér box. So, let me tell you about this. I do get this free for review. This is $29 a month and I do have a discount code. I'll leave it down below to save some money off. I don't get anything out of it. It is just for you guys, but I do want to let you know that I do get this free every month for a review. So this would be like usually in a pink box, and this always goes to my P.O. box, right? And so it was like this, and it had some boxes on top of it. And if you just look at this month we got a Boxy Luxe, and I go, now if you don't know, BoxyCharm I get in PR, so I get that free every month, but they don't give out the Boxy Luxe. So I still have my account that I pay for BoxyCharm so that I can still get my Boxy Luxe. So I always get 2 BoxyCharms, and then, you know, like I'll get that Boxy Luxe when it's my, anyway, I'm getting off the subject. So this was the month for the Boxy Luxe. So when I seen this, I go, did I get another Boxy Luxe? Is BoxyCharm putting Boxy Luxes now in PR? I got so excited and I realized it was a Mariér box, which I love this box. This box has every month since I've been getting, it's always custom. There is something in there that is custom and I love that so much. So I really do love this box. All right, anywho. So this is what it looks like right there when you open it up. All right, so I guess that this was supposed to be in here. I don't know. There's things in here. Okay, I don't know, so I'll hold off with that. All right, so this is for women by women. All right, so this is a March 2019 celebrating International Women's Day. I love that so much. You know that this month is, you know, like girl power, right? So I love that. So you always get, it tells you what everything is, and then it gives you prices. So that's good. All right, so let's start off with, let me show you what it looks like when you open the box. All right, so the first thing is a bath bomb, which I've really been into bath bombs. And this says, Ladies Night Out. Yes, ma'am. I haven't went out in so long. I need a ladies' night out. All right, so where you be? Let's see where you at. Where are you? Okay, the Sugar Shack Collection Bath Bomb, $6.99. Oh, that smells good. That smells really, really good. All right, so we have a bath bomb. Let's put you over here. The next thing we got is from Sally Hansen. This is the Salon hand care, soothing hand scrub right there. And this would be $6.50. Let's see. All right, let's put it on. Right there. So is this like an exfoliator? Let's see. It probably is. Yeah. Okay, so this is just like an exfoliator for your hands, which I think is really, really good. So let me wipe that off. I like that. Guys, you should always exfoliate your body and get all them dead skin cells and everything off of you. At least do it once a week, you know? All right. The next thing is this beauty blender right here. Who's this by? Microfiber Beauty Sponge right there. So this would be, where are you? All right, so this is Luxe by Mariér Microfiber Beauty Sponge. So I guess this is their brand. So that's pretty cool. Let's open her up because I love sponges. All right, let's see how soft this is. Okay, it's not, all right, let me just show you. So there's what it looks like. It's not soft. It's all right. So this is a microfiber. This is like, did you guys remember when the Juno thing was going around? So this is what this is. So it feels different, of course, because it's microfiber. And I am so glad to get this because I wanted to try it. So it's not like soft, but it's soft. I'm excited to see when I put it in water if it gets any bigger or any softer. But it's not like hard where I wouldn't want to use that, if that makes sense. So I am so excited to try this. I will definitely keep you updated on this. Matter of fact, I'm going to do a get ready with me in a couple days, and I'll use this on camera so you guys can see my first impression. So that's exciting. So that's $10. All right. And then we got from Be a Bombshell right here. It's a lip stain. So this is $8. And what shade is this? In Riot. Okay, let's see. All right, so that's what it looks like. All right, so there we go. And this here, you probably, let's see if I get. All right, do you pump it up? What do you do? What is this thing? I don't know. I guess nothing. So I don't know if it's dried out, or maybe it's supposed to be like this because it's a lip stain. You know, so it's not supposed to be very pigmented. But when I go like this, when I put it on the side, you have a little bit more pigment. But it could be where I just have to put it down like this since it's been in the box laying down. So that could very well be what it's supposed to. But a lip stain that's supposed to just make your lips look stained, not like opaque like lipstick. So I'll definitely play around with this and let you know. I'll keep it down like this for like a day and then try it out. And I will let you know. Did I tell you the price? Did I? It's $8. All right. So what else we got? A few more things. Then we got this Tropical Breeze. What is this? This right here is, what are you? Let me see. What is this? Tropical Breeze. Fluffy, fruity, not fluffy. Great for digestion. What is this? Is this the, okay, loose leaf tea and organic tea bags? Let me see. Let me see. Maybe that's what it is. I think that's what it is. It's tea, organic, loose leaf tea. Okay. Oh, now I know what it is. Okay, so this is the tea. And then remember I said in an envelope, and then you have the tea bag. So you could put the tea in here. Okay, I get it now. All right, so that's pretty cool. So let me put these two together so then I don't get confused. That's why I was a little like, you know, confused. So that's exciting. My husband loves tea. So I'll let him, I'm the coffee drinker. He likes the tea. All right. So then we have this little box right here. So, would you be? Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh my God. That is so pretty. So we have a necklace here. Okay. That is so pretty. Okay, let me show you guys if you guys can see. I like that a lot. Oh my God. Look at that. Goes with my shirt. All right, let's see what this says. This is a Crave Gold Bar Accent Necklace, would be $17. And I would pay $17 for this. Absolutely. I got that little squiggly thing caught. And you can make this right here longer or shorter. So is this orange thing supposed to be on there? Yeah, that's the design. This would be great for summertime if you have an orange shirt or a cream shirt. I love this so much. I really do. That's probably my favorite thing in there in this box so far. All right, last but not least, this is something that we always get, and it is definitely custom. I love that. Let me tell you what that is real quick. This is a custom acrylic drink bottle with straw, $15. So if you do sign up, she'll ask you what your name is or what you want on here, and you will always get something that's custom, which I like that. All these squiggly things. So it says my name. Where's the straw? Hold on. Let's see. Oh, the straw is under here. Okay. So then you have the little plastic straw with it. I think these are so adorable that everything comes. I did a couple of videos already, did some pre-recorded, and I'm telling you, in all of them I'm stuttering. I don't know. I have not been drinking. So this is really exciting. So this is 15. I really like, now this is not glass. We usually get glass. This is the plastic, which I like. I'm not knocking it. So that's great. So I am so excited. This was a really good month. So you have that, that's custom. You have this microfiber sponge. I am so excited to try out. We have this lip stain. Oh my God, I'm dropping everything. We have this lip stain. Let's see, since it's been down for a couple minutes, let's see. Yeah, I don't know. Like I said, I don't know too much with the lip stains. Is it just dried out? I have no idea. But like I said, I will definitely hold this, you know, down for like till tomorrow, and I'll try it out. All right, and then that necklace. I love this necklace so much. I wish I would have opened this box first and I could have wore this necklace in my video. I really like that. What else did we get? Okay, we got this exfoliant that I am excited to try for your hands. I don't think I've ever tried one just for your hands, so that's exciting. We got a bath bomb, which I've been really into bath bombs lately. We got, nope, that was from another box. What else did we get? Is that everything? Oh, and we got the tea with the tea bags in it. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Do you think this box is worth it? I think I like it because it's custom, and I really like that. And we always get some kind of jewelry in the box, which I mean, who doesn't like jewelry? So that's everything. And this is $29. You do pay for shipping. Like I said, I do have a discount where you can save a few dollars off for your first box. I'll leave everything down below. Check it out. Let me know what you think of this box. Like this video because it really helps me out. Also, if you want to know what is on my eyes today, this is the new palette from ColourPop, the Sweet Talk palette right here. And they are the colors. Today's the first time I am trying them out, so I don't really want to say too much, but I will do a get ready with me on this, and then I'll go more in details once I try all the colors. And I have, oh my god, I am dropping everything today. And then I have from the collection a lipstick called Moody Bloom. I think I got 3 or 4 of them, so I'm testing this out, and I really like their Luxe lipsticks. Let me show you. They are really, really pretty right there. And that is the color. I'll also put it in my description box as well in case you want to go back and see what's on my face. All right, guys, that's everything. Please like this video because it does help me out. We're so close to 30,000. I have been saying that in every video, but we're getting closer and closer. We're only a couple hundred behind now. And once we hit that 30,000, I'm going to have a huge giveaway. So I am really excited. So make sure that you share my video, get it out so we can hit that 30K. All right, guys, as always, I leave videos right here in case you want to watch more of me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.